Shawty, you naughty, damn, you're hardy, hotter than the fire, burning me with desire. Shawty, you naughty, get in my Maserati, in those tight pants and a crop top flowing.
To take you on a ride, no rules to abide, just you and me, nothing we will hide.
Skin to skin, just wear a napkin, let me eat you on my sexy island.
Singing on top, no sinking in any wadi. Our mind so hot, but that curvy spicy body. Shawty, you naughty, I love erotic rosity. Feeling colors in my life, you have made it exotic.
Shawty, you naughty, damn, you're hardy, hotter than the fire, burning me with desire. Shawty, you naughty, get in my Maserati, in those tight pants and a crop top flowing. Your charm feel divine, I wanna make you mine, not just for a day or two, but forever like 9 and 9. You know I admire you and your beauty, the praise is my duty. I love we share zero ambiguity.
Say it, you love me, so I can love you more. Oh darling, anthem already, for days you don't ignore.
Here things keep changing, often go out of the hands, and even the big brands can meet the fucking decline. I remember when you wore that silk gown on silk skin, damn, that alluring feeling is now shaking.
Me to the depths of bones, come on, just tell me I am yours and you're mine. Gonna be forever, like eternal sea.
Shawty, you naughty, get in my Maserati, in those tight pants and a crop top flowing. Shawty, you naughty, shawty, you naughty, shawty, you naughty,
Shawty, you naughty.
Thank you for listening. Follow for exclusive literary content. Ovaiology 1